Hello everyone! So, itong video na to ay nung Thanksgiving Day. Walang masyadong ganap, walang get together kasi may mga kanya-kanyang ginawa yung mga family namin dito. Kaya kami naman ni hubby ko ay nagpunta lang sa boat dahil off siya sa work. Medyo mahaba yung kanyang weekend vacation, kaya nagstay kami sa boat at dito na din kami nag-celebrate ng Thanksgiving. At we decided din mag-try ng Thanksgiving meal sa Denny's. Kaya eto guys, on the way na kami sa Denny's restaurant. First time ko ding makapunta at matry yung food dito sa Denny's restaurant. Enjoy nyo lang yung ating ride. At eto na pala. We've arrived sa Denny's. Okay, we split the meal and then we use lots of creamers. And it's time to eat. You can. There's a pirate here. After naming kumain sa Denny's ng Thanksgiving meal, naisipan namin mag-go for a walk dahil gusto kong pumunta sa Trader Joe's na katabi ng Denny's. But unfortunately, sarado ang Trader Joe's dahil na Thanksgiving Day. Kaya tinake advantage na lang namin ni hubby ko ang mag-walking dahil ito palang plaza na to ay meron ding upper level na kung saan nandun yung thrift store, Marshalls, at LA Fitness Gym. So, eto yung video namin sa upper level. Yo, too much! Walking lang tayo para ma-burn yung food na kinain natin. There's our... Pero kami naman ng asawa ko ay nag-split lang ng Thanksgiving meal. Hindi kami usually laging kumakain sa labas. Most of the time, nagsishare lang kami ng food dahil hindi naman namin nauubos. At saka hindi rin naman
and it's quiet. Kumain. I like it.
Yan lang yung ginawa namin for Thanksgiving. Walang masyadong ganap pero okay naman.
Oh, we pass it.
Siyempre, every time na kasama natin yung mga mahal natin sa buhay, lalo ako kasama ko yung asawa ko. Yan yung happiness ko. Enjoy namin yung time namin together.
Done with Denny's.
Ayan, paalis na tayo. Atin nang lilisanin ang parking lot ng Denny's at magdadrive around tayo sa may Cabrillo Beach dito sa San Pedro sa may Los Angeles, California. We'll just drive around. At ito na nga yung Cabrillo Beach. Nagpahangin-hangin kami ng konti dito ng aking asawa. In-enjoy namin yung araw na ito na mag-relax lang. Ganyan lang. Nanood lang kami ng mga nagfi-fishing. Tapos yung mga birds na nagfi-fishing din sa ocean. Makikita niyo sa video na to guys.
smoothies.
And then there's another ocean across. It's cool. So, nag-park kami dyan. Tapos, mag-walk kami sa edge ng cliff.
I'd rather walk on the trail, wouldn't you?
Yeah. The old house. Ito na kami sa trail. May mga people na nag-walking dun sa rocks. Guys. Ito yung ano namin today, aming ganap para sa Thanksgiving 2022. Just me and my hubby. Oh no! They're gonna fall on you. Oh my goodness, look at... Man! View. Relaxing view. Of course, I'm wearing the wrong shoes because I wasn't expecting we're gonna ended up doing this. There's a bunch of rocks, so gotta keep an eye there.
Anemones, yeah, and occasional sea urchin, occasional little fish, and lots of little crabs. Oh yeah. No gold yet. Learn from the Spanish Valley. Yeah, exactly, man. Somewhere. Mussels.
Living creature.